Show you real quick how I make these S-hooks. Start with, instead of buying 20-foot sticks and cutting them down with an angle grinder or a chop saw or something, I'll just go ahead and buy them pre-cut links, 2 to 500 at a time. So then I'll have a stack, you know, and just a pre-cut stick. Saves a ton of time coming like this. We'll go from there. I'll take my pre-cut blank, drop it in. It's got a depth stop on the bottom and a height on the top. That way it gives me the exact twist that I want. I want a 1-inch twist. Then I'll take my twisting wrench, put it on there and just twist this cold. So I'll twist up a bunch of those, and this is what will go into the forge. I typically work like 5 to 10 of them in there at a time. So you could do these in 2 heats, but I typically break that up into like probably 4, just because you can't make a mistake with 2 heats, like a single hammer blow that's off, or whenever you go to grab your twisting pliers, any of that stuff, if you just miss just a little bit, it's going to throw it all off and you get a little less consistent twists and bends in here. So we'll show you that slowed down step by step. I just like to take my time on this first taper. Make a decent point, go in and clean everything up. And then I'll throw that back in just like that. Another component is these Jewelers scrolling pliers. It's a lot better than going with some scrolling tongs where you don't have that kind of small diameter to work with. We'll go show you this real quick. Bring my piece out, I'll steady it on the vise and then scroll this in with these pliers real quick. And then go into the quench that tip. Then come out and go into the jig. Here's the full progression, start to finish. Bring our twisted blank out, put a taper on it. Get everything nice and squared up. Straighten that out if you need to. Come out, get your scrolling pliers, scroll that in. Quench. Clean anything up here. If there's something off with the twist or something, I just flip it around. Back in the fire. Get a good bite on these. Make sure that's nice and cleaned up. Then side it. So that's how I do these square twisted hooks. It takes about 1 minute and 30 seconds per hook. Whenever you do it in 4 heats, you could, like I said, you could do it in 2 heats, but you sacrifice a little bit of consistency. You make a little mistake and you're going back into the fire anyway to fix it. So take your time on each of those heats. And if you got a gas forge, it goes pretty quick.